First of all, good morning to everyone. I hope you all are fine. Students, now I have come to the new chapter. This is ICT, Information and Communication Technology. It is the part of Unit 3. Okay, you have many chapters in Unit 3, like I think 6 or 7 chapters are there. So the first chapter I'm going to discuss, my dear. Again, I'm saying this is my revision class, so you must pay attention, my dear. Whatever you have missed, yes, today you will get it. So it's my humble request, please be attentive and listen and watch it. First one, I will discuss what is ICT, Information and Communication Technology. Next one, I will discuss role and importance of ICT in daily life. And the last one, some of the examples of ICT in our daily life. Okay. And at last, I will discuss ICT tool also. Okay. Now, first of all, what is ICT? Definition already you can see on the screen, my dear. Now, what is ICT? ICT emphasizes on imparting knowledge in the field of education. ICT incorporates the process of generating. Listen, my dear, these are the terms which I'm saying, which are very important. First one, generating. Next one, manipulating. Next one, storing. Next, sending. Next, receiving the information, and or whatever the topic just now I said, that all will be in digital form. Okay. Now examples: PC, digital television, that is smart television, that is smart TV, smartphones, radios, emails, robots, computer network. See, this is the definition of ICT, but when I'm giving the full form of ICT as information and communication technology, it means what is information, what is communication, what is technology. That one by one I'm going to discuss. Students, whenever I say information, what comes to my mind? Text, video, audio. But again I'm saying, my dear, all will be in which format? Digital format. Please keep it in mind. Next one, communication. What is communication? That is transfer of information. Okay. In other way you can say, that means which medium that you are going to use to send your information from one place to another place. Okay. Next one, that is the technology. You know what the technology that you are going to use. Okay. Internet, Zoom, these are the technology, my dear. So in other way I can say that the different communication and network technologies responsible for transferring the information from one place to another, my dear. Okay. Now, next one is role and importance of ICT in daily life. Students, nowadays we spend our most of the time in doing online activity. Just now, which the activity I'm doing with you? Yes, this is online activity via Zoom. Yes, I'm connected to you. Okay, it is my online teaching. Okay, now, so what I said, that means every day you are in touch with ICT. It can be your calling, video calling, it can be social networking site. Okay, mail that all, yes, we use that all are related with ICT, my dear. Okay, so one example, best example I'm saying, virtual meeting. Suppose I am here, I am the CEO of an organization, and I want to have meeting with my, yes, employees or with my customers. So in that case, will I go to each and every employee? Okay. And whatever the thought I have, that I will share with them? No. I will just send an email to everyone that tomorrow at this time I am going to have my meeting. So you all have to join it. Now, there can be any medium. Skype will be the medium. Yes, Zoom will be medium. Yes, Google. Yes, Google can be also the medium. That means Google Class. Many are there. Many examples are there. So via that I can be connected to each. Sorry, my dear. Yes, I can be connected with each and every employee. Okay. Now, you can see, my dear, your ICT, which has affected many areas, yes, such as business, healthcare, medical, educations. Yes, all I will discuss one by one. Now, I'm giving some example by which you can understand it. First one, that is your hybrid car. You know, hybrid car that runs, yes, without driver. Okay, how? By the help of sensor, by the help of satellite. Yes, getting the path that which way that car has to move. Yes, to get that destination. The best example is your door sensor, where you have to not be in physical touch with the door itself. When you will go very near to the door itself, the door will be open. Okay, next one, cloud computing. Students, you know, if I'm using the cloud computing, it means, yes, I'm going to, yes, keep my important data, so that when I will move myself, my data also will move with me. The best example, like suppose I have the 16 GB data, okay, and I have to carry this 16 GB data, yes, to everywhere, wherever I go, because suddenly there can be any meeting. At that time I have to show my presentation. How I will show it? I cannot be able to see unless I'm not having the pen drive. But there is an alternate method, that is your cloud computing. You store your data there. The best example, that is your Dropbox. Yes, there you can store your data, and whenever you want to be in touch, yes, with your data, you log in over there and get your data. That means, and you can show this data to your colleagues, yes, to your boss, yes, whoever, yes, who is going to demand that data. Now the next part is some examples of ICT in our daily life. You know, my dear, every day, yes, we are in touch. Yes, how? Just now one example I have given to you. Now the next part that I'm going to discuss, that is your education. You are also in touch with yes, wait, yes, you are also in touch with ICT. How? You can see it. Now, first part that I am going to discuss, that is education. Students, nowadays, teachers often use computers to teach students. You know, yes, so what are the benefits, yes, of ICT in education? First, if I'm saying the use of computers in education domain, my dear, has simplified the learning of students. Okay, here teachers of primary school, teachers of secondary school have made the learning of students, yes, interactive and enjoyable. Okay, students find images and pictorial representation, that means audio visual, my dear, of concept more interesting as compared to the theoretical knowledge. Okay, therefore teachers explain complex topic in a simplified way by using audio, video, images, chart, text in an animated way. Like you are remembering of your nursery and LKG class where your teachers never shown you the real apple. See, this is a real apple. No, by the picture you understood that this is apple. Okay, this is ball, this is cat. No teacher has brought the cat in front of you and shown this is the cat. But if you want, yes, to show these all things in an interesting way, then you must go for audio and visual, where you can animate your picture and can show this contents to your student in an, yes, interactive way, enjoyable way. Okay, now next one, that is health care. You can see the picture. Okay, when I'm talking about the healthcare, yes, what that comes to my mind, my dear? Yes, that means diagnosing the disease of the patient by the doctor. Okay, it can be physically or it can be online, my dear. Okay, so one by one I'm going to discuss. Yes, you will understand it. Students, ICT has significantly reduced the cost and enhanced the services being provided. Nowadays, my dear, doctors can take the advice of other doctors, yes, that is living in any other country, by using video conferencing instead of meeting them personally. Suppose I'm a doctor, okay, and I have some problem in doing the surgery, yes, of that part of a patient. At that time I can take help, yes, of another doctor. That doctor can be of same country or that doctor is of other country. Okay, he can give me advice, yes, that if this type of complication is there, then you go for this way. Okay, students, the use of ICT in the healthcare industries has given birth to a new concept, my dear. It refers in the management of records and information, my dear, of patient electronically. Here, manually you have to not show. Nowadays, even in many hospitals, yes, they will never say you to show the physical documents. They only ask from you, what is your ID number? Yes, that doctor will punch that ID number, and when he will print, he will know all the details, back details, what you were having problem a year before, 2 years before. Yes, like this, after doing the monitoring of this one, he can give you the best advice, or he can give you the best medicine, so that you can recover soon, my dear. Okay, now the next part, that is, yes, business. You know, wait, my dear, let me. Yes, the next one is your business. Okay, so what is business, my dear? Okay, students, when I'm talking about the benefits of ICT in business, then Nowadays, you can see, my dear, people in business can store data not only in, yes, their computers, but also in external storage devices such as online service in case of huge generation of data, my dear. The data stored is accessible, my dear, to people, yes, irrespective of their geographical location. Not only that, my dear, it provides quick and cost-effective communication. Okay, like a meeting of the employees of various branches. Okay, can be done. Yes, done by the help of video conferencing. Okay, not only, my dear, your administrative costs have also reduced by linking various parties such as insurers, yes, you can say consumers, service providers, you can say it, financial institution also, you can say it, my dear. Consumers now can interact with the insurer, yes, online for taking advice from them and buying appropriate policies online. The best example I'm giving, that is policy bazaar. You might have heard about, yes, this domain, policy bazaar. There you can go and have all the details, and whenever you have the problem, you can be in touch, yes, with, yes, those, yes, institutions, yes, who are giving such type of services to you, because they have the toll free number also. Okay. Now, okay, I think one part I have left. Sorry, my dear. I left this one. In our daily life, strengths, how you can say that benefits of ICT has impacted our daily life. First one, yes, you are reading your newspaper, okay, but some of the person, they are not purchasing the newspaper, they read the same thing, yes, using online, that is called e-newspaper. Not only that, you can get updates of any events as soon, okay, as they occur, like any incidents that happen, that you can know it. Even your match that is going on, that live match also you can see it, my dear. Okay, you can make video calls, you can chat with your friends, relatives, colleagues, okay, who are living, yes, abroad, my dear, in another country, my dear. Not only that, my dear, you can book tickets, you can purchase any item, that is called e-shopping, by sitting at home, my dear. You can learn anything with the help of online audios and videos tutorials. You know, some, yes, some videos that you can, yes, watch it via the YouTube. Okay, there also you have many educational videos. You can be in touch, yes, with those sites also. Now, the next one is business, already I have discussed. Now, the next one is design and manufacturing. Okay, strengths, the use of ICT in the design and manufacturing industry led to the introduction of CAD. What is CAD? Computer aided design. And CAM also, computer aided manufacturing. Here the CAD allows designer. Here CAD allows, yes, designer to develop detailed design of product. And CAM, that is computer aided manufacturing, is used to manufacture accurate components of product with a minimum tolerance, my dear. Okay, now the next part, that is your ICT tools. Yes, you know, some commonly used ICT tools, yes, that you can say tablet, you can say emails, you can say television, you can say radios. Okay, students, these all tools help in the communication and broadcasting of information. And here, one by one, I'm going to discuss so that you can understand it. First one, that is mobile phone. That is also known as smartphone. Okay. Students, a mobile phone is a device that help you in performing different tasks. Okay. Such as sending and receiving mails, watching videos, online transaction, e-shopping, e-learning. Okay, many things. Today, mobile phones are, yes, smartphones, which perform almost every task which your computer, your tab, your desktop can do it. Okay, yes, earlier we were using the mobile only for sending SMS, yes, calling or receiving it. But there were no such features, sending mails, doing online transaction, doing online shopping. But nowadays, in one device, you can get, yes, every facility, my dear. Okay. Now, the next part, that is your, yeah, tablet. I'm not saying medicine one. Okay. Yeah, tablet, this is also a device. Okay. It is a type of, you can say, yes, portable computers, which has a flat surface, and that can be operated by using your finger or by using a special pen also. Okay, yes, it has this type of devices, has memory for storing data, and can also be used, my dear, yes, to run internet, make calls, or other type of works like sending mails, yes, e-shopping, whatever the work that you can perform, yes, so with the help of smartphone, that you can do it. But here your screen will be flat as compared to your smartphone, my dear. Now, the next one is, yes, radio. Okay. So, what is radio? Radio is a wireless device, okay, that receives signals in the form of electromagnetic waves. Okay. Yes. Which form? Electromagnetic waves. Yes. Okay, now see, students, how I can say that this also can be the part of ICT, my dear, because it is a beneficial of sending information to those areas where communication is not available, my dear. A radio can be run without electricity. If suppose you are talking about, I'm talking about the village, if there is no electricity, they can get information, my dear. Okay, radio only, they will use the battery and they can listen the news. Okay. Okay, now not only that, my dear, it is available also, yes, to the people to get the latest news that is happening in our country or abroad, India, my dear. Now, the next one is the television. Okay. See, students, if I'm talking about the television, then it is also a device, but it is used to transmit information in the form of moving images along with sound. That means here you will have audio as well as video, but in television you have only audio, my dear. The television lessons are used as supplements, yes, with, yes, visuals, in which they are teaching some topics. Okay, like I'm talking about the teachers, yes, they can use such type of giant screen, such type of big screen. Yes, if they are having the smart classes, they can go for such devices and can show all its lesson, yes, on the screen in an interesting way. yes, to the students. The best example you can say that about the smart class, you can go for smart class. Even you have the another device also, using that also you can give a lot of information to your friends or to your students or to your relatives or to your people, okay, by using the projector. Okay, so these were the topics related to ICT. I hope you all have understood this topic. Thank you.